Okay guys, we're just about ready to head up on this run now through this scrub so we can get a bit of a look. Just show you now how easy this bike is. We'll whip her on the centre stand now, so just put down, pull her back. Look at that, so simple. Easiest bike I've ever had to put on a centre stand. So, back off now, step through. Kick her over. Into first. Let's go. And I'll just check I haven't left anything. And we'll head up through this bit of rough country here. Bit muddy there, but I've run a few of the bikes up through here, so and look like a little trooper. There's a little car there. Head down here, move her up this way, let's swing her up this way and see how it goes. Pretty quiet in the forest here today, so she'll be okay. Doing a bit of a climb now. Sort of climbing all the way up. And move her through. Went into a bit of a mud heap. We'll drop down into a section here with a lot of blackberries and another drop. Might go out into the edge, avoid those big rocks. He's been handling the terrain pretty good, considering how rough it is. One good thing about coming to these places during the week, you don't see many cars and that hanging around here. There'll be a lot more during the week. And that area over to me right, we'll go back around through there when we do the loop. Looks like we've got a fair slush heap up ahead. Just over this rise we come into another rough area. We'll go over to the right. Okay, we're going to swing around to the right here. Never been down that track, but looks fairly wild down there. We'll head down here. Beehives ahead, sounds alright. Not a bad little climb up here with a bit of rough section just up here. We'll pull up this hill. And does it quite easy. Pretty rough down here. Okay, there's a really steep climb up ahead. I think I'll probably run it when I get close in first. Okay guys, this is the steepest of the hills in this Kinross forest, or the steepest I've found so far. It's a bit rough in here. So I'm going to put a camera up in this one section because I have to be careful in case a four-wheel drive comes along. This will be about the couple of these rough sections here. That's up the top. There's the bike down the bottom there. So I'll set my little camera up here as the bike goes up, just on the other side. And we'll see how it performs up here. So this is a good test. Catch up with you. Lucky I never left my camera in the middle of the road. Would have lost it for sure. You certainly have to be careful. So it's straight up now, so I think I'll drop back to first just to be safe. We're in first, so I can track where we're going to go. I think I'll go over to the right. Here we are now. Oh, look at this, doing it easy. I was a bit concerned about whether I'd get up here, but look, pulling it, no trouble at all. Hill climb's finished and little CT125 climbed that pretty easy. Once I said, that's one of the steepest ones that I know of in this forest, so it went over that quite easy. There's the end of it over there, there's the bike. So So that about concludes the test. So if you'd like to see more tests on this CT125, by all means please subscribe to the channel. But after all, when you subscribe, it gives you a bit more motivation to get out and do the shots. So keep that in mind. If you want to see more of me going out doing a bit more on this, please subscribe, and I'll catch up with you at a later date. Cheers for now.